My housing provider tip just sounds very cold compared to what we just talked about, but and then no play on words because I'm going to talk about HVAC cleaning in the fall coming up here. But you know, we always look at our numbers here at GC, and you know, looking at our HVAC, or call our furnace maintenance last year, we had a large percentage of properties that we brought on that, you know, didn't go through the fall months that were a majority of our work orders when it came to no heat calls or issues around the thermostat or bad thermostats. So, you know, make sure, you know, for us, you know, we couldn't avoid some of that because we didn't manage the property last August, September when we started doing our cleaning checks. But just keep that in mind, that $100 or $150 you spend to get that cleaning check done for your furnace or get your boiler kind of tuned up, and it'll save you a lot of money and a lot of frustration on your tenant side on the back end. So make sure you're doing your maintenance on your HVAC system as we go into fall.